How's his mouth feel?
Excellent.
Yeah, because he said he needed those teeth done. He had bad, sharp teeth. Good. Good.
I'll do it.
Whoops, don't bump him. He's fine. Leave him alone.
I'll send it to you, Robin.
Okay. It may not feel like he's doing much, but boy, he's doing a lot. Look right between his ears and realize he doesn't need it to come higher. So if he starts to raise it up higher, just squeeze a little with your leg. There. Good. Excellent. Good. Let him